Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paroma Sharma and today I've got another really fun video for you guys where I tried to recreate this look that Jacqueline Fernandez had in her Genda Phool music video, which might not be easy considering I look like this. So first things first, I wanted to find a sari and jewelry that kind of mimics the look that she had going. This is from my mom's closet, and then I also put together this jewelry considering she's wearing jhumkas, a choker, and a longer piece. So this is what I'm going to be wearing. I did switch the gold bangles for red ones to look more like hers, so you'll see that in the final look. So the next thing after that was to achieve this really messy, curly, long hair thing that she had going, which brings me to these weird braids. Basically, I dampened my hair and then braided it, and I slept on it and left it all night long, and hopefully that'll achieve the curls that she had in the video. And I'm lucky because I already have the long hair, so I didn't have to use any extensions for this. And so now that it's the morning after, I've actually gone ahead and hairsprayed it first thing in the morning and let that kind of sit in there. So now, about an hour after waking up, I'm really taking the braids apart and it's looking good so far. So as you can see, the curls turned out awesome, just with the exception of the roots, which I just put dry shampoo into later on, and it just lifted those flattened roots. And now we're actually going to go ahead and put the hair back to move on to makeup. And mind you, I know nothing about makeup. I don't even own a brush set. As you'll see, I do everything with my hands. I will say, however, Jacqueline's look in the music video was really natural and neutral and very toned down, whereas I opted for big bold lips and big bold eyes, just like the really traditional Bengali look with very bold features. Now, I am sorry that I can't show you guys the actual process of pleating and pinning this, but basically I tried to take the two borders and recreate this that she has going from the video. However, the process of pinning it, I really needed my husband's help, and it was really lengthy, and it was just a little bit too revealing, in my opinion, to put in the video. I am so stoked to show you guys the final look. This is a good time to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you like my content, please go ahead and show me that. And here is the final look. And there you have it, you guys. That was my video of trying to recreate the look that Jacqueline Fernandez had in the Genda Phool music video with Badshah. I hope you found this video entertaining. I hope you liked it, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.